scanning. First, we need to update and upgrade the distribution to the latest version. To update, type sudo apt update. To upgrade, type sudo apt dist -upgrade -y. To install OpenVAS, type sudo apt install OpenVAS. And type y when asked. To set up OpenVAS, type sudo OpenVAS -setup. This may take some time, be patient during the process. If you get any errors, and it freezes, don't worry, we might have the same errors. The setup will try to open browser, with the given URL. If you don't have root access, it will show this error. Click on Close. Copy the password created by the setup, and save it in a text editor for login. Username is admin, and the password is what you just copied. Saving the user credentials. To start OpenVAS, type sudo OpenVAS -start. The browser will not open automatically, if you are non-root user. Copy the URL, open Firefox, and paste the URL. To accept SSL certificate, click on Advance, scroll down, and click on Accept the risk and continue. Enter the user credentials, saved in the file and log in. OpenVAS Vulnerability Scanner is ready to use. To start OpenVAS again after a shutdown or restart, type sudo OpenVAS -start and go to the URL.